Yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about a pair of kicks that actually I bought after release date for retail. I'm gonna talk about a little bit of the ways that you can go ahead and do that. I'm gonna talk about the resale prices for these sneakers, and are they gonna go up in the future? Are they gonna go down? What I personally feel that this is gonna do in the future. Right here we do have the package, but if you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new or would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to look at the sub count, man. Come on, add yourself to the family. Like, go ahead and just go on there, subscribe to the channel. It definitely does mean a lot when y'all come back and show love. I'm not even just saying that, bro. Like, I really do appreciate y'all. You don't even understand. If you comment on these videos and leave a like, it goes so far. Not even just with YouTube, I'm talking about with me. Like, that motivates me to keep going and keep grinding with these videos. With all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So y'all might be seeing these in an unboxing that's coming up shortly, but I'm gonna briefly talk about them in that video. And this one I kind of want to get a little bit in depth because I do like this pair of kicks, and I just want to go ahead and talk about what I feel like these are gonna do personally and just in general. Let's go ahead and get straight to it though. Y'all already know what it is. Black and red Nike box. These are a pair of Jordan 1s, obviously, and I got these bitches for retail from the SNKRS app. So yeah, it's possible. I got these for retail after the release date on the SNKRS app. So let's go ahead and pop this open, and here we have the University Blue Jordan 1s. These are beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all real quick, take them out the box. So right here we got the University Blue Jordan 1s. As y'all can see, these are beautiful in person, bro. You got that tumbled leather around the back, you got that baby blue suede around the collar, same shit on the front. I do notice that the blue on the outsole is a little bit different than the blue on top, but it's okay, bro. These are so sick. I really do like these, and I'm glad I was able to hit for retail. Yes, you heard that correctly. I got these for retail on a shock drop on SNKRS. I believe like a week ago there was a shock drop on the SNKRS app, and I actually managed to get in on it. I did catch wind that there was a restock on Discord. Somebody posted that these were out. Go ahead and check them out, and I went on the SNKRS app, and best believe I hit on these bitches. This is like one of my only 2 cooks this year on the SNKRS app. I got these and the Raging Bull 5s, but these sneakers right here are probably gonna be one of the top sneakers this year. That blue on this sneaker is beautiful. These University Blue Jordan 1s are definitely top tier. I just don't like the fact that there are some imperfections, which you can see right here, that there are some glue stains. There's more glue stains right there and around the front as well. This is the other pair, and you can see more glue stains going around the bottom right here, even on this side as well. It's really good quality leather, but at the end of the day, the glue stains fuck it up for me. I feel like they just didn't care enough on the little details, but it is what it is. So as you can see, look how tumbled that leather is. It does have the little shoe tree on it, but this leather bounces back like crazy. Look how tumbled this leather is. It's crazy. This shit bounces back right away. Yeah, the tumbledness on this pair right here is A1. I feel like they killed it with the quality on the materials. It's just the craftsmanship that kind of fucks it up for me. These are sick. This colorway is so fire. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what I feel like resale is gonna do. So I just hopped on StockX, and I'm gonna go ahead and look at the prices that these are at right now. This is a size 10, and currently they're going for $365. When they first released, these are going for like $450, something around that price point. The more restocks, the more orders came in, these started going down little by little. Mark my word though, these are gonna go up probably to like $500, $600. If you hold these, they're definitely gonna go up. It's honestly a beautiful shoe. I feel like down the line, this is gonna be worth something major. This is literally like a Chicago with the blue on it, which you can't go wrong with. Like, you literally cannot go wrong with it. They're currently at around $365 in a size 10. I can see these going for $550 easy. Definitely go ahead and do that. I feel like I would even buy them at the prices that they're at right now. That's how confident I am on this sneaker. This is almost like a mocha. A lot of people are talking about this shoe right here, so it's definitely up there. If you can see behind me, I literally have a whole row of Jordan 1s, and there's more Jordan 1s under, around, and even in boxes that didn't make it on here yet. I think this is another one that I can go ahead and keep. It's much like these Obsidians right here. I know I've pulled these out in several occasions. These at first, they weren't doing that good, and they went up, bro. They're like at $550 $600. These are gonna do the same shit. Mark my words, the blue tone is just so in right now, and I feel like this is gonna do it, bro. I love this colorway, and it's definitely a great hold. So yeah, we hit these for retail on the SNKRS app, bro. Normally that shit just doesn't exist. Like, that shit does not happen. I'm trying to tell y'all. So I was really excited when I was able to get these. Low key, this is gonna be on the top 10 list for sneakers of the year. Mark my words, I know for sure this is like top 3 Jordan 1s so far that have released this year, especially for a lot of people. For me, it's between these and the Hyper Royals at like the number 3rd to 2nd spot on that list. These are fire. I definitely do love these, but I don't know if I would like these more than the Hyper Royal Jordan 1s. I just wouldn't go ahead and get those because I already have the turbo greens and it's literally the same shit, so I don't really want to do all that. But this is a beautiful shoe. It's gonna be worth something, bro. So that's pretty much my thoughts on the Jordan 1 University Blues. I know this is a little bit late, but at the end of the day, better late than never. I did manage to get these for retail, so I decided to just go ahead and make a video on them. Should you resell or hold these? I feel like this is a great hold sneaker. If you can go ahead and stack up on these, I would definitely recommend it. They're probably gonna drop a little bit more and then they're gonna start rising like crazy. This is a beautiful color, and correct me if I'm wrong, I feel like they've never really done this tone of blue on a Jordan 1. I just feel like it's super clean, and my favorite color being blue, come on, you cannot go wrong with this shit right here. Definitely a great hold. If you can buy pairs at the prices that they are now, or maybe a little bit lower, I would definitely recommend it. Hold it. These are gonna go for a little bit of cheese in the future, so make sure you go ahead and keep that in mind. Let me know what y'all thought about this video by leaving a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. It definitely does go a long way. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the future, whether it's sneakers, streetwear, something else, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments below. But hey, did y'all cook up on these? Let me know in the comments. What was the last sneaker that you picked up off the SNKRS app? Luckily, thank the sneaker gods out there, I got these and I feel so blessed. But with all that being said, man, leave a like, subscribe, post notifications. Y'all already know what to do, man. I'ma catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.